pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. I have a Hank and Henry Eyelash Subscription unboxing for you. Plus, they always give you 3 pairs of eyelashes and then a mystery product. Like sometimes it's an eyeliner, sometimes it's lippy. It's different things like that. I pay $23 a month for this. I love these lashes. Ooh, what is the mystery product? Ooh, it's red. Satin matte lipstick. I did not put lashes on purpose. Or a lipstick. Ooh. Oh my goodness, look at this packaging. That is like amazing. Oh, and you pop it and it comes off. Okay, cool. Wow. Oh, look. I guarantee you the sparkles don't stay though. Let's see. Whoa. Actually, this may be all right. Super creamy. Wow. I definitely want to put more color on my lids for this. How cool is that? All right, I'm liking this. That's amazing. All right, let's get to the lashes now. And we're going to put some on. Yes, 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 we are. Okay. These are called Bay, and let me get this out. Ooh, such a pain in the butt. They come in these cute little plastic containers. Well, it's not like, they're kind of cute, but you can like put your lashes, because you can reuse them, back in place, which is what I like about it. See? Very cute. These are called Bay, and I will show you how to put them on, but let me show you. Oh, I'm liking that lipstick. Like, hi. Hello. Okay, these ones are called Brat. Brat. Yup. Yeah, alright. Karen, note to self. Cut these before the next video. Hi. Where's my scissors? You gotta have a good pair of scissors laying around. Especially when doing brows and cutting the lashes. You need expensive scissors is the way I go. I guess you don't need expensive scissors, but they last longer and they cut better. Nice and sharp. All right, so this... All right. Here we are. Brat. And the last one I get like every month, and these are my least favorite. My dog is snoring again. Sorry, guys. Oh, okay. Thought we weren't filming for a minute. I was like, no! I lost footage the other day. I was not happy. Yeah, these are my least favorite because they look fake. But I will use them. And why do I seem to get them every month? With like 3 awesome pairs. Okay, you can see why. They are spread out. They're a little thicker and not in the area to where they're fluffy. It's just they like straight and they're thick. It just, they don't look real to me. Like I can't get away with realness with that. People are gonna be like, oh yeah, her lashes are fake, you know? So, ooh, okay, what's on this thing? We will try, what were these ones called? Brat. We'll try the Brat ones. All right, this is how you put on lashes. Wait, do I have my lash glue? Or is it in my purse? Yes, I take my lash glue with me when I go out. I don't know if I have my lash glue. Huh. Okay. I think we're filming. We better be filming. Okay, so this is what the lash looks like before it's been cut. You have to measure them to your eye. And look. I gotta cut this part. So let's do it. It says my camera was getting too hot because I was using it in 4K. I don't know if you got the last part. This is the lash. I measured it to my eye and I figured out what I had to cut off. So that is what I'm doing right now, is cutting it. Then we will put the glue on it. And the glue has got to be tacky, ladies. And I love this Igloo. This is like one of my, not all glue is the same. So if you're out there using lashes, okay, and they're not working right, pay attention to what you're using. Because I got Lashy Box once and the glue they gave me, it sucked. Like it just didn't even want to work. And some of those really thin little applicators, they don't work either. So be mindful of that when you're, especially when you're first starting. And you can always use wispies, like Ardell or Kiss wispies. That's what I used when I was starting out. Okay, so you can see the glue is starting to dry down. So this would be the time I would want to put it on. And I like to use tweezers. Here we go. Ta-da! Start in the middle, right on your lash line where you put that eyeliner. Go to the back. Go to the front, hold it down, put a little bit of extra glue on the ends because that's where they have the tendency to lift. And then push that puppy in and the glue will dry clear. So you'll be good to go. You won't see it. All right, now we need to do the other one. Again, that is what it looked like. All right, yeah, do you see how? Cannot have it hanging off. Just, it's not gonna look right or natural. Always cut from the back because you'll get, if you cut from the front, you're gonna get the stuff in your eye and then you'll actually ruin the lash. All right, I just have little lash pieces all over here, probably. My daughter calls them spiders. Are these your spiders? Those are my lashes. Okay. So with the glue, focusing more on the edges. And this is like the best glue in the world. I do like black glue too. I use that once in a while, but I'm really stuck on this one. Okay, again, wait for the glue to dry down. This is what it looks like before it dries down. It's white. It starts to get clearer and lighter when it dries down. Ooh, I like these lashes. Not bad. And I like the lippy. Ah! How did that happen? Okay. We're starting to dry down. We're getting there. Let's have some coffee. That's some good stuff right there. Yeah. Gotta have my coffee. So I did a nice easy look in with the, what is it, Viseart palette that you guys are going to definitely want to check out. That's what I'm in the middle of doing right now. But I stopped to put on lashes to show you this eyelash subscription and then how to apply lashes. Place it in the middle. Do one of the ends first. And then you always want to take your finger. I like to hold this one down just a little bit for a minute. Take your finger and voila. Right? Yeah, we are good to go. That is how you do lashes. Do you have any questions? Put them in the comments below. I know a lot of you fear lashes. And so I would really, really love to help answer your questions and to show you guys like what type of lashes you should use to start out with. Ardell wispies or Kiss wispies are actually the best because the bands are really, really thin. Make sure you've got a good glue and then come to me and I will help you. All right, guys. So thank you so much for joining me for this little unbagging. Okay, hi. That was a call. Anyhow, I think I'm still filming. Thanks so much for watching this video. I do love every single one of my gems. Guys, I've got so much coming, so hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed because you will not want to miss what I've got coming out. I will talk to you guys real soon in another video. Mwah! Love you. Bye.